Okay, Charles, whenever you're ready.
Title of my poem is F's Are Fabulous. Hey Mom and Dad, I got my grades and you'll be thrilled to hear. The marks on our report cards have changed around this year. A bunch of kids were telling me this morning on the bus. I heard some teachers say that F's are fabulous. And these are cards we've given out to those that's dynamite. Their youth honor kids like me whose grades are really bright. And C, of course, is super cool. I've got a few of those. I wish they could be D's and F's, but that's the way it goes. I'm proud to see my teacher didn't give me an A or B. I've worked too hard for one of those. Gosh, aren't you proud of me? I see you don't believe me. You think that I am lying. At least you will agree. I should get an A for trying.
Oh.
Snap.
Snap.
Nice job, Charles. Could we have Lauren, please? Lauren to the stage, please.
Would you like to buy a dog with a tail on either end? He is quite the strangest dog there is in town. Though he's not too good at knowing just exactly where he's going, he is very, very good at sitting down. He doesn't have a place to put his collar, and I'll admit it's rather hard to lead him. He cannot hear you call, for he has no ears at all. But it doesn't cost a single cent to feed him. He cannot bite, he'll never bark or growl, just scratch him on his tail, he'll find it pleasing. But you'll have to take him out for twice as many walks, and I'll bet you can quickly guess the reason. Yep.
Thank you, Lauren. Nice job. Could we have Edgardo to the stage, please? Edgardo.